Hazrat Abu Salama has reported from Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam has prescribed from observing perpetual fasting. Some of the Muslims submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, you keep consecutive fasting. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, who of you is like me? Undoubtedly I pass night whereas my Lord feed me and give me drink. When some people even after it did not forsake perpetual fasting, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam too started observing perpetual fasting with them, then connected another day with it. Thereafter they sighted the moon. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, if the sighting of the moon had delayed, I would have connected many days with it. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam passed this statement as an admonition for their non-compliance. Similarly, Yunus has reported from Zuhri. Moreover, Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu has reported it from the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 6851.